These are elementary problem in indices, and one of the laws of indices that addresses this problem is called the inverse law. The inverse law simply states that if you have a to the power minus n, it is simply 1 over a to the power n, and vice versa. Meaning, if you have 1 over a to the power n is same as a to the power minus n. You must know how to rewrite both of them. It means 4 to the power minus 2 is simply 1 over 4 to the power 2. We can leave it like this, or we can leave it as 1 over 16. However, if this was to be 4 to the power minus 1 over 2, just the same thing we did, it will be 1 over 4 to the power 1 over 2. And to the power 1 over 2 is same as square root. So this is 1 over square root of 4. This is simply 1 over 2. Know the laws, and this makes it easy for you. Thank you for watching.